it's new project time, and this time it's a 2007. If you haven't guessed it already, Chevy SS Cobalt Supercharged version. This one needs a lot of cosmetic help as well as mechanical help. The front bumper cover is all but destroyed again, but I'm used to that. Looks like it got into trouble faster than it can get out of. Looks like a trailer hitch. I could be wrong, but that looks like a trailer hitch indentation to me. Headlights need to be done. Gotta do something about this Chevy emblem. I don't like it in that condition. The headlights are horrible. Front driver's caliper is frozen. You have to deal with that. That's why that rim is a little discolored, because it has overheated compared to that one. And the rear caliper isn't doing anything at all. It's been kind of on vacation, I guess. As the parking brake doesn't work on that wheel, nor does the caliper work at all. I mean, you got rust on the road. I just got through driving the thing. Got a little bit of rust here. Actually, this is a pretty much rust-free car. It doesn't have too many issues at all. It doesn't have that crazy color interior that you see on a lot of these. It's solid black. SS symbols. It's got the Pioneer radio system in it. This is just a quick overview. Also, it doesn't have that crazy wing on the back. Some people like it. Some people hate it. I'm in the hated group. It was okay for the time, but right now, no. This looks a lot more conservative and better. Like the back bumper. It does have a little repair area right here. I don't know if I'm going to address that or not. I might. Depends how much paint I have left. Other than that, we got 2 or 3 dings on this car, and that's pretty much it. It has a classic LSJ issues with the intercooler pump not working at all. I mean, I hit that thing with a hammer, nothing. So I have to address that issue. No aftermarket parts on this guy. It's pretty much all stock. This needs a lot of cosmetic help. It has 142,000 miles on it, which is good. Clutch was done according to a previous ad that I saw not too long ago. It is currently 66 degrees, which is a whole lot better than that 3 degrees when I started the ion project. But this does have the same ion problems, especially with the exhaust. The hole is in the exact same spot. So I will be doing the exact same repair I did on that. And actually the hole is a little bit bigger on this. Get ready. Oh boy, here we go. Change, everything that you want to do to power this miles on. Give it a quick rev. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to keep updated on this project as it goes along.